Question says calculate the value of 0.5% of 180 kg, okay? And if y is 0.3% of 500, what is the value of y, okay? So these are percentage problems. So how do we solve this? Solution. So let us start with this. Calculate the value of 0.5% of 180, 0.5%. So we have 0.5% of 180 kg, okay? So look at 0.5%, this kg means kilogram, okay? Kilogram. So for a kilogram, 2 grams, we have it as 1000 grams, okay? So we are converting 1 kg to grams, so we have it as 1000 grams. So that means we need to change this to grams. So we have to do that, okay? It's optional, but let us start with this. So we have 0.5%, okay? So for 0.5%, how do we work out this, okay? So when you look at this comes with a decimal number, okay? So let us work out 0.5 separately, okay? So for 0.5, we need to change this to a fraction, okay? So that is 5/10, okay? Or we reduce it as half, okay? When we divide this. So when we look at this percent, we multiply by 1/100, okay? Because this is a fraction, okay? Decimal to fraction. So when we change this, we have this as 1/200, okay? So for 1/200 times 180 kg, okay? So when we simplify this, okay? So this is 20, this is 18. So we can have this as 2 in 18 is 9, okay? 2 in 20 is 10. So we have this as kg, okay? So we can have this in form of a kilograms, or we convert it to grams. So if you have to convert this to grams, this 9/10 kg, you can write this as 0.9 kg, okay? So if you have to take this to grams, we multiply this by 1000, okay? Or 0.9 times 1000 grams, okay? If you have to write our answer in grams. But if you have to write our answer in kilograms, we stop here, okay? So when you multiply this with this, so we have this as 900, okay? So 900 grams. So either we have it as kilograms, or we have our answer as grams, okay? The first one. So for the second one, we have y is 0.3% of 500. So that means y equals 0.3%, okay, times 500. Okay, so when we look at this, if you try to approach it to break it down in this form, or we work on it direct. So we have 0.3 divide 100, okay? So when we look at this, so we multiply it by 500. So 100 there is 1, 100 there is 5, okay? So here we have 0.3 times 5. So we can simplify it this way, okay? Or we break it down this way, either of the two. So when we multiply this, we have this as 1.5%, okay? Thank you very much.